Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah. Yeah, I just needed to step out for a second. Yeah, it's just something about being in a crowd, you know? I don't know, it's just nice to be outside from it all for a little bit. Have you forgotten that about me? That's true, yes. We were together for a little while there, huh? Okay, so maybe a long while. How about you? You okay? Yeah, I know. We were always pretty similar in that sense. Yeah, sure, you can sit with me. Hmm. It's been a minute, eh? Is it just me, or is it kind of strange to be with everyone again? Right? It's so weird. We haven't all been together since senior year, I think. We've all changed so much. It's kind of like stepping back in time. It's nice though. I kind of missed everyone. The whole gang back together, just like the old days. Seems like everyone's having fun. How have you been? Good. That's good. Me? I've been, I've been good. Shut up. I don't know. I guess I've been, I don't know, I've been feeling a little lately like nothing in my life is working out like it's supposed to, you know? Like, do you remember when we were younger? We had this idea of where our lives were supposed to go, where we wanted to be, what we wanted to do, and lately I just feel so far off track. It's insane. Like, I just woke up all of a sudden and I don't recognize anything or how I got here. I'm just, I don't know, feeling a little lost, I guess. That got serious real fast. What about you? Are you still with, right. Sorry, you know I'm not good with names. How's that going? Good. Good, that's great. I'm really happy for you. You deserve to be happy. Me? Yeah, Andy and I are still together. Huh? Yeah, things are going well. Things are fine. No, it's not that. No, we get along great. It's just, I don't know, I just haven't felt that, spark in a while, you know? It just feels bland. No, that is definitely not what I mean. The sex is great. It's just I don't know. I feel like something's missing, and I don't know what that is. It seems like coming back here with everyone. I can't remember how hopeful and wide-eyed we were back then. It just brought something back, I guess. And seeing you here, it's strange. No, not in a bad way. Just in a, oh, there's my ex. That's weird kind of way. Feels like forever since I last saw you. I'm glad you came, though. I know they weren't sure if you were, so. Yeah, maybe I asked. I just thought, might as well be prepared. Well, either way, it's really nice to see you. Can I be honest with you for a second? No, nothing bad. Just something I felt like I need to tell you. I know this isn't something you tell your ex, but I just haven't felt the same since we split up. I know it was a while ago, but you were perfect. I mean, I can't be the only one to have noticed how good we were together, right? You were my best friend, and I know that our timing just wasn't right, and we had to go our separate ways, but I don't know, it was really hard. All of a sudden, it felt like I lost everything. The one person I could tell everything to. The only person in the world who knew me, like, really knew me. And I think that was the hardest part of it all. Losing part of myself like that. Anyways, I know this is a lot, but I just felt like I couldn't move forward until I told you how I felt. I don't know, I guess I hadn't noticed until recently, but it's like I'm a different version of myself. Like every time I'm around people, I feel like I need to pretend to be a better version of myself, one that they'll be more inclined to accept, But then I stop and think, like, even if they accept this version of me, they're not really accepting me. They're accepting an illusion, one that I've been carefully curating for the longest time now. And it just never felt like that with you. It was always just easy and simple, and I miss you. This is such a crazy thing to say, but I think about you a lot, actually. I think about our relationship in a parallel universe where life events didn't get in the way, one in which we'd still be together, where all that shit that went down just didn't happen. I wonder what we could have been, or if we'd met at another time in life, because the thing I keep coming back to is that I wasn't ready to have you in my life, but you were there anyways. You were always there for me, no matter what, and I think I took that for granted. In fact, it's the most selfless thing anyone can do, and I didn't appreciate that enough when we were together. And God, you have no idea how badly I wish I could change things. Just go back in time and tell you over and over again how much you meant to me. I'm really sorry, I'm just getting around to it. I loved you so much. And truthfully, I think I'll always love you. Whenever I hear your name, I just can't help thinking that you were the one for me. And, you were my one great love. The one that comes around once in a lifetime. And I let it go. And I'll regret that for the rest of my life. Anyways, Sorry if that was a bit much. I know we've both moved on to other things, but I just felt like I needed to let you know that. Let you know that for me, this thing we had, it'll never be over. Not really. I guess I just really wanted to let you know. Anyways, I should probably go. John's probably getting drunk as we speak. I should go check on him. It was nice seeing you. I'll see you around.